Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable automatic Windows updates on Windows 10 permanently using Windows Services and the registry editor. So let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard and search for Services. Click on Services to open the Windows Services window. Now, scroll down through the list and look for Windows Update. Once you find it, double-click on Windows Update to open its properties. Next, find Startup Type and change it to Disabled. Click Apply. Now, we'll make another change using the registry editor. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type regedit and press Enter. The registry editor will now open. On the left side, expand HKey_local machine. Next, open Policies, then Microsoft. Right-click on Windows and select New, then choose Key. Name the new key Windows Update and press Enter. Now, right-click on the Windows Update key, select New, and choose Key again. Name this new key AU and press Enter. Select the AU key. Now, right-click on an empty area in the right side panel and select New, then choose QWORD 64-bit value. Name the new value No Auto Updates and press Enter. Double-click on No Auto Updates. In the Value Data field, enter 1 and click OK. Once you've completed these changes, close the registry editor. And that's it. You've configured Windows 10 to stop automatic updates using the Windows Update service and registry settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Windows tips, tricks, and tutorials.